What did you say when you got your shot?
Oh!
I'm sorry, this has to be addressed. How did this become this? Become this? Become this?
With a fist bump.
Whoop! Shark attack, nom 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 nom, jellyfish, hand sandwich, turkey, snowman, dolphin, helicopter, last supper, monkey in a zoo.
What? Gear shift.
So I'm moving out of my apartment, and my dog thinks I'm leaving without him. So he came in the car, and now he's just chilling with all my clothes because he thinks I'm leaving. Baby, it's okay. We're going together. I don't think this is safe.
If you have a dog, run in opposite directions to see who your dog loves more. Show your baby as a newborn versus now.
Dad, do you think Mom is upset with me?
Why?
Well, the spider, she was trying to save it, and I killed it. I sat on it, and it crawled right under my tush, and that's the last thing I ever saw. So, and it couldn't walk, and
Buddy,
she had
she's
to
not
kill
mad
it.
at you.
Well, I'm just nervous that she's upset with me.
I gotta go bye-bye, but I'll be back. Good boy.
If you have a dog, run in opposite directions to see who your dog loves more.
Coco. 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 Come. Coco. Coco.
dog doing? What's my dog doing? What's my dog doing? Oh, Daisy, Daisy. Come on, Daisy, Daisy. Oh, Daisy, doggy. What's my dog doing? What's my dog doing? Oh, some good biome. Wow, my doggy. Oh, Daisy, Daisy. Wow, where is it? There's on.
Hey, Xavier, want a pancake? Catch. Here we go, catch. Hey, Z, you want some steak? We want some steak. Ready? Here it comes. A tater tot. Would you like a frozen tater tot? Here we go. You catch.
When your dog knows how to earn sympathy treats after hurting her eye. And the most dramatic dog award goes to